How's everyone doing today? Shankar Puri here. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, crypto markets in general, as well as what's going on in the markets. Is the recession over? Are we heading up? Are we heading down? What can we expect for this week to come? So without further ado, let's dive right into the charts. All right, guys. So we're looking at Bitcoin here, and we're definitely in an uptrend. 100%. We've broken these resistances and now made them support. So we're definitely in an uptrend, and not to say that we're gonna go into a crazy bull run right now, but we definitely have a lot more upward consolidation. So at best, we're going to be consolidating. At worst, we'll be consolidating, but the bottom is definitely in and past. So now for Bitcoin, what we're looking for this week, because last week we were looking to either buy above the break of this, buy above the break of this right here, or buy above the break of this, or buy on the retest right here. So the price did break up, and so we bought on that break. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 30,300. So this is the daily time frame. So we've definitely had a significant move up. So we're looking for this week for prices to get to this level and see how it reacts. So right now we're in the middle of it. Anything can happen. We might pull back all the way back down here. We could come all the way up here and then have a pullback. But right now we're just waiting to see what happens in this moment this week with Bitcoin, right? So let's look at the S&P 500. So the S&P 500, once we break these highs, definitely confirming that we're in an uptrend. We've broken the support, this trend line here. We started heading into an uptrend, made higher highs and higher lows. So you can see that we are moving in the right direction. And if you look at the 200-day moving average, we are definitely above it, guys. So I know a lot of people are talking about recession and everything's over, but at this moment, it looks like the next leg up to take out these highs is on its way. So we definitely have a lot more bullish cases here to look at. And as I've said that, there's a lot of things to keep in mind, but right now we have the TLT, which I said if it breaks over, if it breaks over this and starts making an uptrend, which it still looks like, we're consolidating higher, that the price for assets can come down as the TLT moves up, because this shows that money's moving into the bond market. And when money's moving into the bond market, that means that things are looking a little bit more fearful, right? So right now we have gotten this rejection, and if we break this low and continue, it will show that we do have a lot more downside on the TLT, which is a good sign for Bitcoin, altcoins, cryptocurrencies, commodities. AI stocks probably be doing well too. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance, so I've actually taken some positions in some altcoins. So you can see here that I was waiting for the price to get up here. We've had a nice reversal. This is on the daily, and if you look on the weekly, we had a lot of exhaustion coming in right here. So we had a lot of exhaustion. So sellers are exhausted, and we could definitely head back down to this range down here. So I'm actually looking at taking some longs on altcoins at this moment. So I've taken a couple longs, so I'll show you, and we'll see how it goes. Where is it here? Jeez, I must be blind. Open crypto. So we have Scallop. So Scallop right now is showing a great uptrend, great bullish price action right here. We have higher highs and higher lows. Well, we have higher lows right here, and then we've just broken out of this with volume. So you can see we have volume right here. So we have some volume that came in right here and pushed the price up, but we had this resistance that the price has broken over with volume. We have news here. So Scallop, intuitive app simplifies DeFi, providing access to a range of services such as yield farming, exchange, hardware wallets, NFT payments, and also, regulated crypto bank, right? So a lot with the banks going down. Scallop is definitely a play for the midterm. Might hold it for a week, see how it goes. We have first target here, and right now it's at a $19 million market cap. So if we do have a bull run, and this was something that may be here for may catch a lot of eyes during the bull run, this can definitely be a play that could hit a lot of multiples. Now, if we are entering a bull run, which I believe, one of the things I will say is that holding a coin all the way up sounds good, and you may even catch one. But the thing is, it's better to just build the skill set and trade in and out of these cryptos, because you can catch it's easy to catch 200%. Like right now, from here to here is 100%. So I would have doubled my money just entering in this position. Like that, and this could take 4 days. It doesn't have to take that long. You know what I mean? So just keep that in mind, is that you'll have more staying power in the crypto market and can ride the market for a long term instead of just trying to hold one coin until the peak, because eventually you do get lost in the sauce, right? So another long I have here is H bar. So you can see we're on a support level right here. I'm just targeting the high right here for H bar. This one's actually, I've put some leverage into it because it's a bigger cryptocurrency. So we have a low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low from here. So I'm just targeting this zone up here, and then stop is right here. For Scallop, we have, if the price comes down to here, probably be exiting the trade if it comes down here. But yeah, these trades do look good. We do have, if we are entering the bull run, we do have a lot of time, guys. You have a lot of time before the peak. So just give yourself time. The halving is over a year away. The halving is over a year away. So you have ample time to understand the markets, get the emotions out of your system. I feel like you may know how to trade, you may know how to read the charts, but one thing about being in the market is that the fear of missing out will play in your head. You may even be doing well, and but your skill set may not be as where it needs to be, and so the fear of missing out gets you, because like, oh man, I missed out on that. I don't know how I'm gonna make that. But if you keep working on your skill, your mindset, your mindfulness, these are all components that you need to work on when you're in the financial markets, because all it is a direct reflection of who you are as a person. So a successful trader is a successful person, and day in and day out, you have to really keep refining yourself, going back and kind of tweaking the machine that you are, So keep that in mind, as if you're going to be trading into the cryptocurrency market, you're definitely early, in the sense that I do believe we're going to be having a bull run, and you're definitely early to the party if you're starting now. However, you will always be early, because we got like 20-30 years of this bull run playing out. So just keep that in mind as well, is that we got a lot of time before there's the cryptocurrency market is at a crazy high market cap. But at the same time, you can make seven figures in gold, and gold has been around for a long time, and it's a crazy huge market cap. So as these markets aren't going away, so just survive so you can thrive in the up times, survive in the down times so you can thrive in the up times. So just keep that in mind. We are going to be heading into, I believe, if these charts are maintaining themselves, and on Bitcoin we don't have a crazy bear push down, I believe we're going to be having some consolidation. We were going to be having some good short runs, and you can capitalize on those, take profits, move into another coin, keep it moving, find coins with good technical patterns, and keep rinse and repeating and compounding your gains. So I believe the next 24 months we will definitely have another bull run. So stay tuned. We're gonna be covering this. We're gonna be covering trades. And yeah, man, enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.